Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The governor of Rivers State, Simi Fubara, has served notice that nothing can stop him in 2027 if he wants to run for re-election. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Is the governor of Rivers State making an empty boast when he said that nothing can stop him in 2027 if he wants to run for re-election? That is what we're going to look at right now. First of all, let us look at Simi Fubara as a leader. The opportunity he has not utilized them effectively. And if he is to utilize them effectively, I can tell you for free, nothing can stop Simi Fubara. He has been playing the politics of a gentleman, but he also knows the enormous power he occupies by being the governor of Rivers State. It is no gainsaying that being governor of Rivers State is one of the most powerful governorship offices in Nigeria. That is why if you look at the history of Rivers State and history of our politics since 1999, governors of Rivers State had always been very powerful, and so powerful that their influence extend beyond Rivers State. That was why in 1999, between 1999 and 2007, one of the most powerful governors, in fact, he was the most powerful governor at that time, Dr. Peter Odili, was the governor of Rivers State. He could throw his weights around at that period. He was everywhere, he was everything. And that was why he was on a pole position to be the successor of Obasanjo, but for some challenges he had in terms of the issue of EFCC and all that. But he was in a pole position to be the successor of Obasanjo. And if the primaries of the PDP at that time was done free and fair, Peter Odili would have picked the ticket of the party. But of course, he had a challenge in Obasanjo, who had a different idea. Obasanjo, after it became obvious that Odili is not likely to get it, and Obasanjo backed Umaru Musa Yar'Adua, who was the then governor of Katsina State, at the expense of Peter Odili. But Peter Odili was in a position to do it. Why was he able to stand himself so strongly to be looked at as an alternative to Obasanjo? It was because he was the governor of one of the richest states in Nigeria, that a state that has a lot of resources. So the governor of Rivers State is floating, is in a position of have enormous war chest for both Rivers politics and national politics. Okay. Now, after Odili enters Chibika Amechi, you can't say that you didn't know that Chibika Amechi was so powerful both in the PDP and in the APC. He was so powerful that he was able to throw the weight of Rivers State, and they were able to remove an incumbent president in 2015. And he is believed to be among the main suppliers of the war chest with which APC was able to defeat the PDP. That's fact. And you can see that even within the APC, he was strong enough to hold office of the Minister of Transportation. And if you look at, if not for sabotage that he had, he would have emerged the presidential candidate of APC. You know, he was able to beat up Osibanjo, the vice president, in the in the APC presidential primaries. He came second to Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Okay. Why? It is because of the influence he was able to build as Rivers State governor. Look at Nyesom Wike. His influence in the PDP. He was not only powerful in Rivers State, he was also planting governors, helping governors to emerge, PDP governors. Even when PDP was down and out in 2015, he took it upon himself to be running the party, to be funding the party, to be take care of the party and all that. And that is why he's so strong, because a lot of people he planted in PDP are still there doing his bidding. They now talk about Simi Fubara. Simi Fubara, of course, has observed. If you look at him, you know that he is somebody who is intelligent. He had been he has seen what had been unfolding in Rivers State. He knows the history of Peter Odele. He knows the history of Chibika Mechi. He knows the history of Nyesom Wike, how they were able to do it. All these are knowledge that I can tell you for free he is conversant with. It's just that he don't want to assert himself yet. But if he decides to assert himself, not even Nyesom Wike can be able to stand him. He can run Nyesom Wike out of town. Because if Nyesom Wike is in the position of Fubara, Nyesom Wike will run whoever is disturbing him out of town. So if he says that nothing can stop him, he has the war chest to be able to ensure that nothing stops him. He has the war chest. No matter the war chest that Abuja politicians like Nyesom Wike will bring, there is a limit to it. There is a limit to it. You cannot compare the security vote of Rivers State governor with the security vote of a minister. No matter how big and how financially able the FCT may be, can't compare. You can't compare. So if he's determined that he's going to run and that nothing can stop him, I don't see anything stopping him. I don't see Nyesom Wike stopping him. I don't see the other Abuja politicians stopping him. I don't see even Bola Ahmed Tinubu stopping him. All he has to do is, as governor of Rivers State, a strategic state like Rivers State, that if he continues to take care of his people the way he's doing, making the civil servants happy, making the ordinary Rivers people happy, continue to work for the people. Anybody that want to touch Fubara will set this nation ablaze. Why do I say so? In terms of the economic resources, then if Rivers State is set ablaze because of forces from Abuja, it will bring down the economy of Nigeria. Because if Rivers State sneezes, Niger Delta catches cold. So he knows the power he is wielding. He knows the power he can exert. If anybody tried to dislodge him undemocratically, there will be resistance. So he can survive as Rivers State governor. He has history on his side. He has the resources on his side. And he has the people on his side to be able to make it possible that if he makes up his mind that he's going to do second term, which is his right and which he should do. He is the first Asian man to become governor of Rivers State. After how many years? After almost 24 years. Yeah, almost 24 years. 24 years of people of Igbo extraction. Although Nyesom Wike denies that he's not of Igbo extraction. But to the average Rivers person, like Asare Dokubo, he classifies all of them as the Igbos who have been ruling the state since 1999. Now, this is the first time person of Igbo extraction is becoming governor. Common sense dictates that nothing should be done to stop him from doing second term. And he has the resources, he has the people, he has everything that could make it possible. So I have no doubt in my mind that he can pull it off. That if he makes up his mind, which of course I know he would, because nobody will be in his position and will not want to do a second term. Especially knowing that every other governor since 1999 in Rivers State did second term. And this issue we're talking about, he didn't just say this thing out of the blues. It was when the 3 local government areas that made up Calabari ethnic nationality in Rivers State paid him a courtesy call. In that payment, during the payment of the courtesy call, they appreciated what he has been doing for the people, his imprint in infrastructural development, education, health, and all that. And they mentioned the Trans-Calabari, the Calabari Highway Express Road or something like that. How that is going to reconnect many communities, increase our economic activities, and boost trade and all that. And they are very happy with what he had done over the Calabari, Calabari Road also. Okay. I think it's called Trans-Calabari Road Project. That is one of the most gigantic projects the Fubara had been executing presently, which is estimated to cost about 200 billion naira. So the people were happy. It was in the expression of their excitement about what he has been doing that they told him that they have endorsed him for second term. And he now used the opportunity to say that nothing can stop him if he decides to run. And this channel agrees with him that nothing can stop him if he wants to run, given the enormous power available for a Rivers State governor. Okay, so, but he said that in the end, he told him also that he's not thinking about 2027 right now. Okay, that all he's thinking about is to ensure that he provide dividends of democracy for the people of Rivers State as their governor presently. In other words, saying that when we get to the bridge, we'll cross it. When we get to 2027, we'll talk about that. But in all, I agree with him that Rivers State governor seeking re-election can get it, and nothing can stop him. You know how even Nyesom Wike was able to pull it off when he was in the PDP, and Buhari was the APC president of Nigeria, and Nyesom Wike fought the battle because he was Rivers governor. He was able to ward off the APC, and Fubara can do the same. He has several options that will make it possible for him to be unstoppable in 2027. I don't know what to think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.